If you are a teacher or student, today I'm going to show you how Gemini can create an entire presentation from a single prompt. This feature just launched and it can pull content from your Drive files, match the style of your existing presentations, and build editable slides you can adjust. I'll show you exactly how it works with real subject-specific prompts you can apply. So what's actually changed? Until now, Gemini could help you inside slides with individual tasks, but you still had to build presentation slide by slide. Now, Gemini can create a complete presentation from a single prompt. It can run the presentation in your existing Drive files, match the style or another deck to keep your branding consistent, and it will also ask you to follow up questions to refine the tone, audience, content before building anything. And you can approve or edit the outline before the slides are created. Two things before we start. First, this feature needs a paid Gemini for Google Workplace plan. It won't work on free accounts. Second, it's currently only in English, rolling out gradually. So if you don't see it yet, should arrive in the coming week. For discussion purposes, I'm going to show you a real teacher workflow. So let's start by opening up Google Slides, go to Workplace, click on Slides, click on Blank Slides, then click on that. Now, I'm going to put in a prompt the real teacher would use, but now I'm going to make this very specific. Not just to create a presentation, I'll use a general history topic so it works for any teacher anywhere. So once I put that in, the next step is grounding it in my content. I can attach reference files directly from Google Drive to give Gemini context. So let's say I have my lesson notes and a research doc that I want to pull from. So click on this icon over here, add sources, click on add from Drive, go to your Drive, choose your topic, and then click on submit. Now what will happen is Gemini will ask some follow-up questions. It might ask about the tone, formal or conversational, the audience, teachers, students or parents, or specific details it needs before building the outline. You answer those and then you get to review and approve the outline before the slides are created. I can put in the prompt for Gemini to create my next slide, and it would work something like this. Gemini would create my next slide based on the notes that I put in. Now, if I put in specific questions like, what were the living conditions? Let's see the output. The chatbot also allows me to create specific slides as I go and enhance my presentation. So here, if I was not happy with the slide that it created, I went ahead and asked for a very specific one, and then it created something that I Gemini now builds the full presentation, slides, content, layout, all editable. You can go in and you can edit your slides as well. You can now go in and adjust anything that you would like. You can replace these pictures as well. So once you're happy with your presentation, you can go ahead and click over here and download your presentation as you would do. For student, the process is the same. Put in the prompt, attach your research notes from the Drive, match the style of a previous assignment if you want, and approve the outline. Gemini builds the whole. For example, in science, create 8-slide presentation, include chemical equations, diagrams, light-dependent and light-independent reactions, and 3 real-world examples of why photosynthesis matters for life on Earth. For English, you can say create a presentation analyzing the main themes in a novel or reading text. For geography, you can say create a presentation on climate change and its impact for a year 10 student. And then you can ask for different regions. You can ask for some visuals and an analysis of mitigation versus adaptation. Now, here is where this gets more useful. Once you have your Google Slides, presentation, you can now export it to NotebookLM. So click on Create New and go to your Drive. Click on your presentation and insert. By using the slides that you created, you can turn this slide into a study guide. Now, I can click over here to create an audio overview. I can create a mind map, a quiz, an infographic on the topics that I have discussed so far in my presentation. And here is a quiz that has been created. So this is an interactive quiz that was generated after we had put in the prompt. So these are the questions that relate to the study guide that we had created prior to this. So here are the resources that have been created in NotebookLM relating to the slides that were generated prior in Google This video I showed you how Gemini can create full presentations from your Google Slides from a single prompt. I've also given you subject-specific prompts for history, science, English, geography that you can copy and reuse right now. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the future tips. Like this video to support the channel and comment below. Tell me which AI tool you want me to cover next. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.